So guys, and another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo, if you love to be near the clubhouse, as you can see no guys, napakaganda naman talaga nitong clubhouse natin. Meron po akong lot recommendation sa inyo. By the way guys, no, itong lot na to, I always tell my client na those lots na malapit sa amenities, no, or yung mga across lang ng amenities, it can be the extension of your property already na hindi mo na need magpatayo ng swimming pool. And this is the Block 14 Lot 3, guys. Sobrang ganda ng lot na to kasi look, this is Block 14 Lot 3, but then guys, no, kung pupunta naman kayo dito sa side natin na to, eto lang po yung clubhouse natin. Sobrang ganda kasi katapat na katapat mo po ang clubhouse. So, the Block 14 Lot 3 and eto na agad yung clubhouse. Diretso, pwede kayong tumakbo papunta sa swimming pool. But this one, the Block 14 Lot 3, the size is at 361 square meters. Yes po, 361 square meters. Ipa-flash ko na lang yung lot location dito sa screen natin, yung map natin. So, again guys, this is a corner lot. Ito, mga future developments pa, but then it's a corner lot. And this is at 17.6 million in total price, net of discount. So guys, ito, good news, naka-promo ito for as low as 21,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. You can already own this corner lot here at Arden West Park Village. Ang sarap lang din naman kasi talaga na nasa corner lot ka. You can already build a really nice house at 361 square meters. Napakaganda lang kasi andito ka mismo sa crossing ng road na to, facing the swimming pool or facing the clubhouse. So yung itatayo yung bahay dito, meron na kayo agad na magandang view na para kayong nasa resort. Etong corner lot na ito, this is 5 years to pay, starts 21,000 per month. Guys, if you love this corner lot, nag-iisa na lang po ito kasi yung dalawang lot na yon is already sold and taken na. So, i-reserve nyo lang po ito for only 70,000 pesos. Inyo na po and masasecure nyo na yung lot na to. And then you will start paying 21,000 pesos per month, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Guys, if you're interested in this lot, no, usually guys, lahat ng mga na-featured kong lot dito, usually talagang maganda. And I personally pick yung mga ganitong klaseng lot kasi these are just mga nagre-reopen na lots na paisa-isa lang. And alam naman natin na very limited lang po yung mga ganitong corner lot sa mga subdivision or sa mga villages kasi ito naman talaga yung selling points niya. But ito kasi, hindi lang siya basta corner lot, you're just across the clubhouse. If you love this lot guys, reserve nyo na to. Please call me in my number below. I-reserve nyo to for only 70,000 pesos. So guys, ang ganda, secure nyo na yung lot.